This truck really drive like a charm. It's comfortable and everything, so. It's not only driving, but I mean, as I say, operating these equipment is very important. There's nothing to prove coming on surgery. No, I've been a victim of surgery. Safety is first. It's just a matter of learning how to operate the unit, as I said. You know, and you don't have no problem.
Jamaican Chucky, food change a big yo. Your respect on nipple pet. Yeah, God bless Chucky from birth.
Yeah, babes. Outside again, you know. Peace. Peeps, we're there back again with no other than the one Mr. Blackwood. How go on, boss?
Yeah, man, I know.
Yeah, man, we there catch a load.
Yeah, man.
The nice machine. Everybody know the machine. We don't even have to talk much. I think.
Pick up a load of 5/8 grit, huh?
Yeah. Turn down the hill, so. How things, boss? Long time in the sale.
Well, things are right so far, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm not complaining, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad. Go on.
So people I just show the process machine a load up and how you or pull the load, you know. And we're down by coast to coast. Manchester location. Just here we go. Big. A load of big people. Key bucket and the basically full. inside. That is it. Nice eye. Nothing at all, master. When you're coming down a hill that severe or that steep, what are some of the most important factors you should know before coming down the hill? So,
First thing is that no hill is to be taken for granted. And treat all hills steep and unpredictable. First thing. You know, especially for spur tree, there's a formula that must be applied at every time you enter spur tree. Right? And safety is first. There's nothing to prove coming down spur tree. That for one I know. You know, I've been a victim of spur tree. You know, yeah. So, you know, and it was not a matter of carelessness, but, you know, mechanical issues which we have to take in consideration. You know, this is a machine mechanically designed and bespoke error on all type of mechanical, you know, defects. So, I mean, you have to take all of that into consideration. You know, knowing that truck especially is not a joke. You can't play the truck. You know, so we have to do everything in our power to ensure that, you know, you do all you can to mitigate accident. Right? That is what you don't want. You know, I mean, as a driver, you have to learn over time, you know, proper way of operating, you know, these equipment. You know, it's not only driving, but I mean, as I say, operating these equipment is very important. You know, to know how to operate these equipment, you know, as you can see, you know, different components. You know, you look at the clock, you see different components. Look at you have the RPM over here, which is very, very important. A significant component that you pay attention to, you know, coming down the hill. You know, you like your Jake brake operate at maximum, you know, pressure to be 18 to 2000 RPM. You know, you want to stay within that level there, you know, that range. You know, coming down and ensure that you're in a gear that you don't have to apply much brake. You know, as you can look at the clock here, you can see this gauge. If your equipment is equipped with this component, then you can pay attention to that also. The brake application, you know, your brake not supposed to be over, you know, 10 psi. So if you realize that you're going over 10 psi coming down the hill, that means you're going too fast or your gear is not, you know, the right gear. So you're gonna slow down or engage a lower gear coming down the hill. I'm quite comfortable coming down. Yeah, quite comfortable. You know, no form of nervousness. You know, I mean, your equipment is, you know, proper, fit equipment. That is one other thing you have to make sure that your equipment is fit. You know, for the road.
well, man.
Yeah, that is first and foremost. You know, so, you know, when you drive out, you have a proper equipment driving out with. You know, so I mean, as I coming down the hill, I was quite comfortable, no form of nervousness. I had the formula which I applied at every time that I entered spur tree and other hill, you know, per se. So, pretty much it. And the machine is really good. You know, this truck really drive like a charm, you know, it's comfortable and everything. So, I mean, it's good. It was good.
So, what do you think is the main factor that causes some people
To lose control.
Yeah.
As I said before, say that again, we can.
Why are you running?
You know, improper servicing. You know, vehicle don't have adequate servicing and proactive servicing and to mitigate, you know, these type of problem that these equipment will develop, you know, over time. You know, brakes and all of that, ensure that your drive line, you know, properly greased and, you know, everything on the drive line is up to par, you know, because that is something that holds the pressure all the way down the hill, the drive line. It's very, very important. So you want to ensure that you maintain your drive line, maintain your brakes and all of that and stay in the right gear. So those things that we discussed would be one or more of the failures that drivers, you know, would have had, you know, in regards to mechanical failure. Now you have drivers negligence, you know, a lot of time. Drivers driving under the influence of alcohol or other drugs and all of that, you know, which should not be, you know, they are really highly intoxicated, you know, driving these units a lot of times, you know, which you don't want to have that.
Alright, boss. Go ahead and tell them what they should check before and after a hill.
Honestly, Jordan, it is not even so much things to check. You know, even before you say approach the hill, you know, it's just that you have to ensure that your maintenance, you know, is good. You have proper maintenance going on at all times in terms of your servicing of your equipment.
Yeah.
You know, as we speak about, you know, the failures, a lot of times coming down spiritually, you know, if we make reference to driver error. And a lot of times driver coming on the hill, you know, so fast, you know, using up so much brake, you know, at the beginning of the hill. So when they come closer down, you know, in the middle or to the ending of the hill, the brake's so hot, you can see smoke coming off the tires and all like that. So practically you don't have any brake at that time.
Yeah.
You know, so I mean, any kind of eventuality, you're going to end up in an accident. You know, so you want to ensure that all your wheels are cool, you know, at the ending of the hill.
Yeah.
Right? So you use less brake coming down the hill, you know, gear compression, you know, that would have pulled you, you know, tightly on the hill. Yes, I mean, it's just a matter of learning how to operate the unit, as I said, you know, and you don't have any problem with it.
Tell them how the machine feel going down, boss. Tell them how the machine feel going down.
Oh,
yeah.
Machine just feel awesome. Machine just come from
Yeah, man.
no error, no fault, no kind of, I mean, it's just comfort.
Yeah.
The machine is just excellent and, I mean, during the time of, you know, building the machine and all of that, you know, I would have gone through the miners and all of that, you know, testing and all of that to see, you know, the things that have caused that, you know, which they sort them out and all of that. So when you come on the road, practically the machine is up. The machine comfortable. You know, comfortable. I mean, 100%.
Yeah, man. Ride like Benz, people. Tell them. No form of bump in the side. Smooth. just want to big up Mr. Blackwood for another video, you know. Big up yourself, boss. We have a whole heap more videos to come, so just subscribe, share and like the video, please.